Removing data from the Temu app is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to remove the app data from the Temu application. Please note that this process is specific to Android devices and cannot be done on iOS. To begin, open your device's Settings application. Scroll down until you locate the Apps section, then tap on it. Within the Apps settings, find the Temu application and tap on it to open its settings. Once you're in the Temu app settings, scroll down until you see the storage option. Tap on this option to access the storage settings for the app. Within the storage settings, you'll find the option to clear data. Tap on this option to initiate the data clearing process. Confirm the action if prompted. Once you've cleared the data, the process is complete. Your Temu app data has been successfully removed from your device. I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your app data. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.